These are the elevators at the Spector building in Sarasota, Florida. You can get a good view. Let's go one. There's like a chandelier in this elevator, which is interesting. We're picking someone up.
Yeah. Yeah, yes, of course, yes. Yes.
Hey. These were installed, I believe, in 1987. Their inspection certificate has been renewed for 2020. Here's your phone. A little bit of classic leveling. You can see right there that that one is out of service. It's got a replaced indicator too. Let's look at that. Alright, we got this one again. Let's go up to 2. Because I'd rather not stay in the lobby for too long. So let's just send this one up to 2. The button goes out like instantly. Hello. Yeah, this is basically just a parking level. There is the garage right out there. Let's get that one up. There's a new indicator right here. And we got the one we want. Let's go a 9. I'm guessing the one to our right is now out of service, as in the one that way. Actually, wait, I want to go to 2. Again, same cab with the chandelier. We're stopping. Alright.
Should take the stairs.
Okay. It's fine. Here we are at 6. Let's go. We're gonna get out at 2. We're at 3. Alright.
Go down?
Yeah. We're just gonna go down and end it at 1. Also, that's a pretty interesting braille. I've never seen one like that before. These hall lanterns are interesting. They're almost like the one on Dover's. We're gonna end it down at 1. The button goes out as soon as it starts moving. Excuse me. Look at that. Modernized. So they are modernizing them.
be it.